probably going 60. I was going the speed limit. All right. Like if you saw something other than the speed limit, that was me changing the speedometer with AI to make it look like I was going faster. So I wasn't actually. Holy smokes! This thing is slow as f***. Alright, so today... Oh my god, my glove wasn't on correctly. Alright, so today we're gonna be going on the highway for the first time. So that's gonna be about 75 miles per hour. And yeah, it's been like a month since I've been riding my motorcycle. So we will see how that goes. I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't really taken this motorcycle past like 70, I think. And during the Aprilia demo, I rode the RS457, and that bike was very stable compared to this one. So yeah, I guess we'll just have to see. All right, let's go. Yeah, what am I doing here? All right, let's see how I do. I'm pretty comfortable now on the bike. A lot more comfortable than the first time I started riding. Police! Police! Can't see on this mirror. Woo! It's a lot of fun now. That's for sure. It feels really good, like you know, being able to go the speed I go in my car. Close lane pattern, close lane pattern. All right, here is the highway here. It's not the full highway. I think it's like the slower highway, but highway nonetheless. Right. Woo, let's go, baby!
You thinking what I'm thinking, partner? Aim for the bushes.
First time on the highway. Come on now. My ears are getting fucked. Okay, here comes a turn. Okay, never mind. A lot easier than I thought it would be. And I feel like, you have to cough right there. I feel like I'm bringing it out, but not a lot of feedback. Actually, it's pretty comfortable. Just going straight. Not too bad. Okay. Yeah, that was fun. Little quick ride on the highway. My ears are like about to explode though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that was loud as fuck. Holy. Can't even hear myself talk now. Alright, we're gonna turn back around and get back in that bee. Not too bad, actually. It's when like other cars, there was a Tesla truck behind me that was like going quite the speed. Really riding my ass. And I was going like 20 over the speed limit, or 15 over the speed limit. Not 20 over, 15 over. Allegedly. AI generated. Speed limit going over 15 miles per hour, but you know, I think that's one thing that's kind of ass, is just other cars. I'm staying in the shade, motherfucker. Hopefully I don't get crushed by this semi. Alright, round 2, baby, let's go! Oh. going the same speed, so I'm gonna slow down it and see how if I can gun it. Wait, never mind. It's a turn. Out of the turn. Let's do it out of the turn. There you go. Alright. Alright, let's see how fast I can accelerate out of 50. Maybe drop the gear. Holy smokes! This thing is slow as fuck. It's fun though. Actually, it's not too bad. I thought it's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good on the highway. I thought it was gonna be worse. I had lower expectations for it. Ready? That was fun. That was actually kind of fun. Even though I'm riding by myself. Still fun riding by yourself. There's a humongous semi behind me. Oh, come on. Okay. I didn't almost drop it, but I like fell on the bike in a weird way. Accelerating to like 50 is not too bad. It's actually pretty quick. I don't know what you define quick, but yeah. Yep, that was me on the first time on my highway. I think I did pretty damn good, I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be a repeat of what happened last time. Okay, as I was saying, I thought it was gonna be a repeat of last time when I first started riding. Like I was just gonna be scared, but nope. I did pretty damn good. I think the Aprilia demo really gave me some confidence on this bike, I'm not gonna lie. Like just riding a different bike made me a bit more confident in my skills. I gotta get some food. McDonald's has that dollar nuggies going on, so I might do that. Who doesn't like fucking dollar nuggies, dude? Oh my god, my nose is itchy. I just tried scratching it through my mask or my helmet. Didn't work. Alright. Let's make this fucking Yui, eh? See how much better I got. Okay, not much better at all. I gotta do my slow stuff more. We're back here, baby. Like a moth into a flame. Jesus. Man, it fell right into that crack. That crack right there. A little crackalicious. I don't know why I feel embarrassed when there's a car passing by me right now. Alright, so that was my first time getting on the highway. Not bad at all. I thought it was going to be worse. It actually felt pretty nice. I was going like 70, 75, maybe. You know, that was AI generated. So I was probably going 60. I was going the speed limit. Alright? Like, if you saw something other than the speed limit, that was me changing the speedometer with AI to make it look like I was going faster. So I wasn't actually. But anyway, yeah, not bad at all. Today I just woke up and I was like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go on the highway. So I accomplished that with flying colors, I would say. And yeah, and this bike is actually not bad. You know, it's not the fastest, but I can get on the highway pretty comfortably. You know, and I just cleaned the chains yesterday and lubed her up. yeah. I don't know what else to tell you. It's pretty good. Hell yeah. It's so much fun though. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. I want to ride every single day. Just gotta be careful, like that, you know. But as long as you're careful, it's a lot of fun. Sounds like shit. Just kidding. Just kidding. I like you. Whew. All right. That was my 1 month review and first time on the highway. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah. Ride safe.